Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
What is going on, and good morning to you. This is your 1 minute of motivation coming straight to you from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast, and here is your quote for today. If there's a book that you want to read, but it hasn't been written yet, then you must go and write it. There will always be one particular book out there that you've always wanted to read, and normally it's your life story, of course. But who is the best person to write such an incredible adventure? To make this your very own bestseller, you need to try and seek out as many exciting journeys and moments that you can. Experience what the world has to offer, and you'll make every single page something special and a complete page turner.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.